Hello guys, it's Tasty Jug, and today I got the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Juggernog edition. Now I'm really excited to open this. I know it's a little too late. This did come out 2015, but it's a Juggernog mini fridge. Nothing stops it from being cool. So let's get right into opening this. So we got this cool thing. I already opened the top a little, so we wouldn't have to go through all that carving for opening, because that'd take friggin' ever. So let's do this. Got a nice little cover here. Oh. Whoa! Dude, look at that. That's so cool. So let's get right into opening this. Plastic. Oh! Woo! Bro, look at that. We got the cord. Nice. Bro, let's get into opening this. So, I have not plugged it in yet. I will get y'all a glimpse of that in the video. Oh, dude. So, okay, we got this nice little container. What's in here? Woohoo! Bro, look at these coasters. Quick revive. Double tap. Speed cola. Juggernog. Dude, that is honestly so sick. They're like kind of rubbery. They're bendy. Now we got this nice container, dude. That's sick. Cool little thing for me to keep them in. So now, looking into the fridge itself, we have little gray things. Stick those in there. Yep, we got 3. And here we are, guys. Got the Juggernog. Goes right there. It is not on yet, so it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna plug this in and see you guys when it's heated up.